This video will guide you through configuring the retention feature for Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace backups. Retention settings for incremental backups allow you to define the number of restore points to retain, enabling optimized storage management while ensuring access to critical restore points. Log in to the BDRSuite backup server by entering the username and password and clicking on Sign In. Once you log in, click on the SaaS Applications main tab. Retention settings are similar for both Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace backups. To start, let's configure retention for Microsoft 365 backups, focusing on retaining only the necessary restore points for efficient data management. Under the SaaS Application main tab, navigate to the Backup tab and click on the Configure Backup. Then select Microsoft 365 and the respective object you wish to backup and configure retention for. During the configuration process, you'll encounter the Settings step, where retention options are located. By default, retention is disabled, which means all restore points are retained indefinitely. To limit the number of restore points retained, enable the retention setting and specify the desired number. For user mailboxes containing mail, calendar, and contacts, you can configure retention based on a specific time period. Select the desired retention duration from the drop-down menu, choosing between days, months, or years. For user mailboxes with OneDrive, you can configure retention by selecting both the number of file versions and the number of days to retain OneDrive items. The minimum version-based retention setting is 5, and the maximum is 100, while you can retain up to 999 days. Additionally, you can specify the number of days to retain deleted files as well. Now, let's configure retention for group mailboxes with OneDrive. Here, too, you can specify both the number of file versions and the number of days to retain OneDrive items. Additionally, you can define the number of days to keep deleted files. The retention process for SharePoint and Teams backup follows a similar approach. Next, let's see about the Google Workspace retention, which is similar to the Microsoft 365 retention. In the BDRSuite backup server, under the SaaS Applications tab, navigate to the Backup tab and select Configure Backup. Then choose Google Workspace and select respective object you wish to backup and configure retention for. For the user mailbox with mail, calendar, and contacts, you can configure the time period to retain the restore points. From the drop-down list, select the time to retain. You can choose either days, months, or years. And for user mailbox for OneDrive, you can set retention based on the number of versions, and even based on the number of days. Also, you can choose the number of days to retain the deleted files as well. Similar process is for the shared drive retention. That's it. Now, it's your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your 30-day free trial, and if you need any assistance, contact BDRSuite Support. Thanks for watching.